what are our basic needs? Yes, we all know that. What are the most precious thing needed for all the living thing to live their life, to survive their life? Yes, water, food, clothing, and shelter is the basic necessity of a human life, without which a human cannot survive. Water is the most precious thing needed for a living thing to live. So, we are not talking about basic needs today. We are talking about forms of water. As water is most precious to us, we should know that in how many forms water is available. So let us see what are the forms of water. Do you know there are how many forms of water? Yes, there are three forms of water. They are solid, liquid, and gaseous. So, the pure water which we drink is tasteless, odorless, and colorless. Of course, the water which we drink, do we feel that it has any taste in it? No. Do we feel that it has any smell? No. So, it is odorless, nor it has any color. Whenever we pour it in a yellow water bottle, we feel like the water is in yellow color. Whenever we pour it in a red water bottle, it becomes red in color. Like we feel like it is red in color, but no, the pure water is neither having any color. So water can occur in three states, that is solid, liquid, or gas. So solid water. Let us discuss each form of water in detail. What is solid water? Solid water is ice. Ice is a frozen water. Liquid water is a wet and fluid, the form of water with which we are most familiar. Yes, of course, liquid water is the water which we drink, which we use to wash utensils, which we use to wash clothes, and many more. And we use liquid water for our day-to-day life. Yes, we use liquid water in many ways, including washing and drinking. So, when we talk about water as gas, vapor is always present in this water, in the air around us. You cannot see it. When you boil water, the water changes from liquid to gas or water vapor. You have observed that when we boil water, the gas which occurs in the air, yes, when we cover the bowl with a plate, the water vapor which we can see at the bowl, where at the covered utensil, is the gaseous form of water. So now, talking about, let us discuss the three forms of water which we have learned today are solid, liquid, and gaseous. So let us see that are we remembering that whatever we have learned? Let us solve some questions. Is dash is the solid form of water? Yes, you are correct. Ice is the solid form of water. Ice is dash form of water? Yes. Solid form of water. See, steam is which form of water? Steam is gaseous form of water. Water is a liquid form. There are how many forms of water? Yes, there are three forms of water. Now, the main question is, dash is the form of matter that do not change the shape when moved to another container. Yes, solid is the form of what matter that do not change their shape when moved to another container. Dash is the form of matter that takes shape of the container easily when poured in. Yes, liquid is the form of matter that takes the shape of the container easily when poured in.